In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a gradient button in GoHighLevel for 2025 using a simple step-by-step method. Whether you're creating a funnel or designing your website, customizing your buttons with a gradient effect can significantly enhance the look and feel of your site. Let's dive right in and transform an ordinary button into an eye-catching gradient piece that aligns perfectly with your brand's visual identity. First, begin by navigating to your GoHighLevel dashboard. From here, you'll want to click on the Sites tab and then select Funnels or Websites based on where you'd like to place your button. Browse through your page options and pick the one that will host your new button. Once you have your location selected, hit the Edit Page button to open the editing interface. Now, let's focus on adding the button. If there isn't already a button on your page, all you need to do is click on plus add element and then select button. On the other hand, if you already have a button in place, simply click to select it. We'll be enhancing its appearance next. With your button selected, it's time to open the button settings. Glance over to the left panel where some key options appear. These include text, background color, border radius, and padding among others. At this step, make sure to leave the background color blank because we're going to be replacing it with a gradient momentarily. Next up, you'll head over to the Advanced tab. To do this, scroll down to the Advanced section, which you can find under the gear icon. When you're there, locate the Custom CSS option. Click on it to open the Custom CSS editor. This is where we'll input our magic gradient code. Copy and paste the following code into the Custom CSS field. CSS selector, background, linear gradient 90 degrees, number 6A, percent, number 2575, FC 100%. Color, white, important, border, none, border radius, 8px, padding, 14px, 28px, font weight, 600. Text transform, uppercase, transition, all 0.3s ease, selector, hover, background, linear gradient, 90 degree, for 25 south 5 FC 0%, for 6 11 CB 100%. Transform, translate Y to PX. Box shadow 06px 15px. RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.2. This piece of CSS will create a stunning left to right gradient, introduce a smooth hover animation, and add a soft shadow for a more pronounced style. If you wish to customize the gradient to match your brand, simply replace the hex codes number 68 and number 2575 FC with your chosen colors. For example, you could try a pink to orange gradient with the code linear gradient 90 degree F7E3. Once you're satisfied with your customization, it's important to save your work. Click on the save icon followed by preview funnel to see your creation in action. As you hover over the button, you should see how it smoothly transitions between your chosen gradient colors. And there you have it, a vibrant and interactive gradient button for your GoHighLevel site. We hope this guide has been helpful and inspires you to get creative with your designs. Thanks for watching.